In this video, I'm going to show you how to order from the website called Shein. First of all, head to Shein on your favorite browser. Search for the first link and then create an account by clicking on the top right corner right here. Choose sign up/register, click on it, and then in this page you are going to be able to register. Here, make sure that you choose your location carefully, as this is where you are going to receive basically your items. After this, choose your phone number, verification, and you'll be good to go. I'm gonna choose by email, so I don't wanna have to put my phone number. I'm gonna make a secure password. Please do not choose anything related to your relative's birthday or anything like that. I'm gonna click on accept, register, and then I'm gonna be able to either verify my phone, but I would not like so. So I would skip. I'm now able to shop directly. As you can see, to order an item, all I have to do is head to this section, choose an item I would like. For example, I would like to choose a sweater. Here, I'm going to be able to choose any sweater I would like. By clicking on it, I'll be able to open a page to either add it to the bag or ship it directly. So I'm going to click add to bag after choosing the size. And then you can also find a size guide that will help you choose the size. Click right here. I'm going to click view bag. I'm going to view my total, which is 19 euros. I'm going to click next step. Again, as you can see, click here to unselect an item if I have multiple items. And then I'm just going to click check out securely now. That will basically it. All you have to do right now is fill in some details. You can even pay with PayPal, credit card, and that's basically it for Shein.